In this video, we will solve question number 5 of exercise 9.3. Chapter is again areas of parallelograms and triangles. Here we are given a triangle A, B, C with D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of BC, AC and AB. That is, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. We need to prove three parts. Firstly, BDEF is a parallelogram. BDEF is a parallelogram. Secondly, area of DEF. Area of this triangle is 1/4 the area of complete triangle ABC. Then BDEF. BDEF. This area equals to half of area ABC. So, firstly, we will prove BDEF is a parallelogram. This one is BDEF. ऐसा करेंगे. This one is triangle A, B, C, and F is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. We know from midpoint theorem, line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. This is a line segment, and this line segment is joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle. This line segment is parallel to the third side and is half of it. ये हम कर चुके हैं पहले भी. This is midpoint theorem. Line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. तो first part है, थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे. Here F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC. It means FE is found by joining F and E points. Therefore, by midpoint theorem, midpoint theorem से क्या होगा? FE parallel to BC, FE parallel to BC and FE half of BC. FE parallel to BC हो गया, FE half of BC हो गया. Now if FE is parallel to BC, we can say FE is parallel to BD. अगर FE BC के पैरेलल है तो BC का पार्ट BD, FE will be parallel to BD. यहाँ लिखेंगे FE is parallel to BD and FE is half of BC. FE BC का half है. Now D is the midpoint of BC. It means BC का half BD भी हो सकता है और DC भी हो सकता है. तो मैं लिखूंगा half of BC means FE equals to half of BC. half of BC की जगह मैंने लिख दिया BD. यहाँ रीजन देंगे because, अब रीजन क्या देंगे? रीजन इज D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. क्या प्रूव किया हमने? FE half of BC, FE parallel to BD, FE half of BD. अगर मैं इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को देखूं, क्वाड्रिलेटरल BDEF, here FE parallel to BD or FE equal to BD, that is one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. If in a quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, यहाँ लिखेंगे therefore जब one pair of opposite sides equal and parallel है, BDEF is a parallelogram. This one is a parallelogram. First part is proved here. अगले पार्ट्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए यहाँ मैंने लिखा फर्स्ट पार्ट नाउ यहां मैं मेंशन करूंगा सिमिलरली इफ BDEF इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, लाइकवाइज हम कह सकते हैं DCEF ये भी पैरेललोग्राम होगी. दिस पोर्शन विल बी पैरेललोग्राम, क्योंकि यहाँ क्या होगा, F मिड पॉइंट है, D मिड पॉइंट है, FD will be parallel to AC, FD will be half of AC according to midpoint theorem. Then we can say FD parallel to CE, FD equal to CE because E is the midpoint. So FDCEF is a parallelogram. DCEF and एक और पैरेललोग्राम भी हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे FDEA और वी कैन से DEAF ये भी पैरेललोग्राम होगी. इसी रूल से हम इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं. DEAF आर पैरेललोग्राम्स. ये नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हमें यूज होंगे. इनिशियली फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज BDEF इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. वी प्रूव द फर्स्ट पार्ट. देन सेकंड पार्ट के लिए हमने ये प्रूव करके रख लिया DCEF एंड DEAF आर पैरेललोग्राम्स. नाउ इसको यहां से इरेज कर दूंगा. सेकंड पार्ट says DEF equals to 1/4 of ABC. एरिया DEF is 1/4 of ABC. मैं लिखूंगा since diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. कर चुके हम ये. Diagonal of parallelogram divides it into two triangles of equal area. This one is a parallelogram BDEF. This one is diagonal. It means इन दोनों triangles का area equal होगा. Therefore this one BDF area BDF equals to area. Second one is this one DEF comma. Second parallelogram, this one is parallelogram DCEF. This one is parallelogram. This one is diagonal. It means इन दोनों triangles का area equal होगा area. Which one? DEF. Let it be equation number 1. Area DEF equals to area DCE. Equation number 2. Now third one. This one is a parallelogram DEAF parallelogram and this one is a diagonal. So these two triangles should have equal area. We can say area DEF equals to area AEF. Now very simple. Suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are four triangles. From equation 1, area of first triangle equals to second, first equals to second. Then from second equation, second area equals to third area. From third equation, third area equals to fourth area. Yeah, second area equals to fourth area. 1 equals to 2, 2 equals to 3, 2 equals to 4. Ultimately we can say all the areas are equal. लिखेंगे from equation 1, 2 and 3. तीनों इक्वेशन से क्या होगा, all the areas are equal. Area B DF equals to area DEF equals to area DCE equals to area AEF. Now all the areas are equal. अगर ये चारों areas equal हैं, it means कोई भी एक triangle के area complete triangle के area का 1/4 होगा. All the four areas are equal. It means area of any of these triangles will be 1/4 of the area of complete triangle. यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं कोई एक triangle हमने ले ली, area DEF, area DEF equals to 1/4 area ABC. Second part is proved. Now third part. In order to prove the third part is BDEF equals to half of area ABC. Now BDEF. This one is BDEF. BDEF. And this one is diagonal. It means area of DEF and BDF, these two areas are equal. We can say area of DEF is half of this area. Here, third part, area BDEF. BDEF, this one is equal to sum of these two areas, area BDF plus area DEF. अगर इन दोनों एरियाज को ऐड कर दूं, we get the area of this parallelogram. That's why हमने लिखा area of parallelogram BDEF equals to area of this triangle plus area of this one. Now these two areas are equal. If these two areas are equal, we can write area DEF plus area DEF. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. मैंने BDF को भी रिप्लेस कर दिया DEF से. हम रीजन दे सकते हैं बिकॉज एरिया BDEF इक्वल्स टू एरिया DEF. ये दोनों एरियाज इक्वल हैं, सो मैं DEF लिखूं या फिर BDF, दोनों बार सेम टर्म लिखेंगे. नाउ एरिया DEF प्लस एरिया DEF इक्वल्स टू 2 times एरिया DEF. लिख सकते हैं ऐसा, 2 times area DEF. Now this one, let it be equation number 4. Area DEF equals to 1/4 of area ABC. लिखेंगे using equation 4. मैंने यहाँ फोर्थ इक्वेशन का यूज किया. एरिया DEF को रिप्लेस कर दिया एरिया 1/4 area ABC. 1/4 area ABC. And this one is equal to, now 2 2s are 4, it will be 1/2 area ABC. That is area of parallelogram BDEF. Area of parallelogram BDEF equals to 1/2 area ABC. This one is third part of question number 5. Hence question number 5 is complete here. Thank you.